Hey everyone, happy 4th of July. It is now about 11:30 at night. Very quiet, don't hear any noise from the highway, not at all. It's a pretty nice day, the moon is kind of bright. It's been raining a lot, no risk of forest fires. We're gonna do some aerial fireworks. Couldn't believe it, I went to the fireworks store today and that guy, his store was almost empty. All he had left were a lot of the more expensive ones like these. The aerial ones are the expensive ones. But I bought them in bulk. And I think I got like a kit. There's like 48 of them. I'm only going to set off a few today. I like doing these actually during snowstorms. I'll do some of them in the winter maybe. So we're going to set off a few right now. There we go. I love that. You can hear it echo off the mountain, especially in this middle of the night when it's so quiet. And now it sounds like it's raining. There's ash falling everywhere. Look at that. There's little pieces of it. See, that's why aerial fireworks are illegal in places like California where it's dry. It leaves these smoldering garbage everywhere. All right, here goes another one. Kaboom! And here we go again. It sounds like it's raining everywhere. Ash is falling all over the place. Hear that? Sounds like it's raining. See the little hot embers all over the place. Here we go again. Boom! Got two more. Boom! You know, I didn't hear as many fireworks as I usually do. I think it's because it was rainy today. Not many people were doing it. And here comes one car on the highway. I can hear it. All right. One more. Just going to wait for that car to go by. Then we got a few of these, which I believe are called Roman candles, right? Or that's what we used to call these kind of things. You just jab it in the ground or whatever, and it shoots small balls. Not as exciting, but we'll do one of them in a moment. All right, last one of these for tonight. Boom! I gotta take a shower. There's ash falling all over the place. All right, now we're gonna set off one of these guys. Before I even did this, I set off one of them, and I set off one of the big ones too. I'm gonna save the rest of these for some other time. You can just stick these in the ground or whatever with them. As long as it's semi-stable, it doesn't have that much thrust to it. Plus everything's wet, it really doesn't matter what it hits. This pipe is very hot now after doing all those. They're not even that loud. I don't even have to cover my ears like the others. This is entertaining, and these ones are kind of cheap. That was it. Yeah, that doesn't put off a lot of thrust. Like, this thing's not even knocked over. If I was doing it on pavement, this wouldn't have been knocked over with the other ones either. All right. Do two more of these. We all done? Yep. Just in case you just approach, don't put your face over it. One more. That was really high, the second one. First one didn't do much of anything. It almost came down the first one. All right, everyone, I hope this little video is interesting. Thanks for watching, and I hope you had a good 4th of July. It's over here by the time I upload this tonight. Still got a couple more hours if you're out west. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great night. Now, these things here, I always leave them somewhere. The grass is wet, so I could just leave it here until the morning. Just want to let it sit for like a day or so before throwing it out.